What is method engineering? In simple terms, a methodology is a set of methods and techniques to achieve a purpose in a systematic way as part of the transformation effort in an organization. A methodology is purely a tool set to enable one to deliver the required results fast, accurately, and with the guarantee of success. Method engineering is thus the discipline of establishing a method. It focuses on the evaluation, design, development, configuration, and implementation of methods. There are two fundamental principles around methodologies. No one should pay for the right to use a methodology, and everyone in the organization, from the CEO to ordinary workers, should actively use the methodology. We are of the opinion that there is no single methodology that can be applied to solve all kinds of problems for all sorts of businesses across all industries. What we do believe is that the methodology must be created for each organization and each instance of a project within each organization. We also believe that a methodology must evolve over time to accommodate changes in what it must deliver. Thus, the methodology must also be time-dependent. The establishment of a methodology within an organization depends upon the existence of accurate and realistic methodology requirements. Having a methodology requirement allows the business to confidently discard or include certain aspects of the methodology. When designing an organization-specific methodology for change, one needs to deliver, among others, the following: a portfolio of offerings that the methodology will deliver. The philosophy, the principles and concepts adopted for the methodology. A strategy and a plan for the establishment of the methodology. The configured life cycles for functions, data artifacts, and role players of the methodology. A set of data artifacts or views that act as deliverables in the life cycles. A meta model to define the data required in the data artifacts and to standardize the terminology used. A set of modeling techniques applied that will enable the delivery of the data artifacts. Recipes that combine and sequence a set of techniques to produce artifacts. A framework that can summarize all the functions and data artifacts required. Domains within the framework as well as the interrelatedness that exists between these domains, the structure and roles required in the project or organization to enable the methodology, and metrics that will enable the measurement of the effectiveness and efficiency of the methodology. The method that is established should strive towards achieving the following objectives: improve the overall quality of achieving a result, enable the mitigation of risk, maximize the benefit to all stakeholders, standardize on a commonly used method in terms of language, approach, deliverables, and repeatability, and increase the maturity of the organization to facilitate change. For a mature organization, the method will be well-defined and known to all stakeholders. It will be entrenched, constantly engineered, and standardized across the enterprise. There are 9 guiding principles to establish a quality method. It should allow for centralized control with decentralized execution. It should enable top-down versus bottom-up generation of knowledge. It should be holistic. It should enable control over architecture and change. It should allow strategy to dictate architecture, which in turn should dictate project management. It should be developed in an object or service-oriented way. It should implement a continuous dedicated function state for methodology engineering. It should contain a library of pre-developed solutions and objects. And it should be enabled with software. You need to establish a well-architected methodology that will work for your organization or project. The subset, or the oil slick, is created from methodology components available in the industry or within the organization. At Discon Specialists, we've identified 24 architectural facets that need to be considered for every instance of a methodology. For every organization or project, you decide on the required oil slick from this potentially big framework at a point in time, and then you decide on how much detail you need within each facet. This, in essence, dictates your methodology requirements. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. You can also visit our website to find out more about Discon Specialists and how we can make your business problems go away. Thanks for watching.